You can breathe in at a count of 3 through your nose and expand your belly, and hold for a count of 3, and then exhale for a count of 3, understanding that you are releasing toxins and negativities, and you can envision that. So continue to breathe deeply at your own pace. 3, 3, and 3. Inhaling through the nose, holding for 3, and exhaling through the mouth or the nose, whichever way is best for you. And complete this cycle until you feel relaxed, as I talk about the benefits of deep breathing. 70% of toxins are released simply by breathing in this way. If you aren't breathing in this way, if you're spending the day holding your breath or breathing shallowly, the toxins do not get released. So value deep breathing. Deep breathing also relieves emotional distress. It clears out negative or confused feelings with each deep breath. Deep breathing increases your blood quality because it releases carbon dioxide to a greater degree, and it increases your oxygen supply, thereby improving your blood's quality. It also releases tension when you are afraid, stressed, or nervous. So breathing deeply, slowly, and purposefully helps you to feel relaxed. It also eases pain. When you breathe in deeply, hold your breath, and then visualize the pain leaving your body as you breathe out. Breathing deeply elevates your mood by increasing the pleasure-inducing chemicals in your body, the neurotransmitters called endorphins. Breathing deeply increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a state of calmness. And it helps you feel connected to your body. And it takes your worries away, your focus on your worries away, so that your mind can quiet. Deep intentional breathing balances out stress hormones by releasing the feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin. This naturally boosts your mood, and it gives your internal organs a message of well-being while oxygenating your blood. We are not designed to breathe deeply all the time, but taking time to deep breathe has many health benefits, like healing faster and living a much happier life. Getting all of that oxygen to the thinking brain allows you to feel safe and not needing to feel like fighting, flighting, freezing, or hiding. Specifically, the vagus nerve is stimulated, which activates the relaxation response of the parasympathetic system, which allows for relaxation, rest, digestion, and pleasure. Breathing deeply can actually help regulate the heart rate and blood pressure, which helps regulate the pain response in the brain. And it can be very helpful for chronic pain, especially if using diaphragmatic breathing. It helps to relax the muscles. This diaphragmatic breathing has a major influence on relaxing muscles, which tense up as a result of pain.